Well, good evening. I told my chef today I need some steaks well done. And he took that literally well done. Burn them motherfuckers to a crisp. Now, today. I told these motherfuckers I want them well done. Not charred to a motherfucking crisp. This motherfucker weighs like 1/10 of an ounce. Look at this shit. Now here he is. I had to cut up some more steak. No, $70 worth of steak. You see what they did to me? You see what God just did to me?
Yeah, I think in the U.S.
This shit looks good as a motherfucker. If you were making beef jerky, here's the ones we redid here. This look beautiful and tasty. All up in this motherfucker.